Hey families, I'm Ratib Alali and I teach at Nobel Elementary School in Chicago, grade 6, co-teach social studies and science. I am one of the Pilot Light Food Education Fellows. Welcome to Family Meal, where I'll be showing you today a very delicious spring salad topped with baked salmon. The ingredients for this spring salads are romaine lettuce, red cabbage, iceberg lettuce, one large tomato, one container of cherry tomato, peeled cucumber, some radishes, and baby carrots. Here are the spices: olive oil, sea salt, raisins, black pepper, garlic powder, and arugula, one lemon, and sunflower seeds. Now we have all our ingredients for the spring salad tonight. Now we're going to start chopping the ingredients, and my daughter Reem is going to be helping me chopping some of the ingredients together. You need a sharp knife and a nice board, and you just be careful with the knife, it is too sharp. Of course, you need to wash this one here before you start chopping them. That's a great activity for family to do together. For the radishes, you need to cut the top and the bottom. Be careful with the knife again. And then you slice it very thin round slices. Same thing with the carrots, with the baby carrots. We slice it very thin slices like this. Again, we got to be careful with the knife. For the cucumber, we cut it in half, right in the middle. And we cut it into this half, we cut it into two. And same thing with the other half, we cut it into two, so it is 4 quarters. And then we slice it. Not too big, not too small, medium. The tomatoes, look at my daughter Dream, she's cutting the tomato into halves and then the halves into two, so into 4 quarters altogether. Cabbage, it gives the salad a very nice flavor and texture, so we shred it very thin. We cut it in half like this, and then we shred it into small pieces. It makes the salad a little bit crunchy and it gives it that unique flavor. See the cabbage, you just put it in this nice big bowl of salad. Now we have all the ingredients chopped up in a bowl. Now we're gonna start with the spicing this salad, and Reem is gonna give me 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano. You just spray it on. 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, tablespoon of olive oil. This will bring the flavors even tastier. This is virgin olive oil. We're gonna add the raisins, and that's up to you how much raisins you wanna put. You just spray it of your choice, of your whatever you like. That will bring some sweet to it. You spray some sunflower seeds that roasted and salted. Finally, the last touch is lemon juice, and Reem is squeezing it for us. Thank you. The lemon juice, we're gonna drizzle it all over the bowl. And after we do that, we're gonna mix it. I'm gonna wash my hands first. Now we're done with the salad. Now we're gonna top it off with a baked salmon. And this baked salmon is spiced with black pepper, salt, olive oil, and you put it in the oven. It's a great ingredient, a great taste for the salad. Now we have our delicious meal for the night, the spring salad topped with baked salmon. I hope that you enjoy it as much we do. And this is, I'm ready to have a bite. And this is going to be delicious. Thanks for joining us.
Tag us on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram at Pilot Light Chefs, #PL Family Meal.
Visit the Food Education Center for more information and additional family lessons and videos.
We want to know how you and your family are enjoying this recipe and making it together. So tag us. Find us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at Pilot Light Chefs, #PL Family Meal.